Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video where I will be showing you how you can easily upload videos in your Rumble account. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and we will just start our video. So to do so, first of all, go to your phone browser, then you will simply go to your search bar, type in rumble.com, go to rumble.com, make sure you are logged in over there because I am already, as you can see over here. Once you're in this interface, there's a plus icon with the video over there. Simply tap on that icon over there. Then you can see this two option: upload video, go live. We will tap on this upload video over there. Here you can see the select video to upload. So you can simply come here and tap and select a video file from here, and you can simply upload it. Then you can tap in your video's title, what it is about, description about it, thumbnails as you do in your YouTube. Also simply tag if you would like to. As you can see, it's optional over there as well. Then you can see visibility, whom you want this video to be available to, and as you can see, upload given below. Then you can simply tap on this upload, make sure to add all of the information as asked, and you're done. You can simply just go ahead, upload it, go back to Rumble again and check if your videos are there or not. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yes, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I will see you guys next time.